What's up guys, Logan here, welcome back with another mukbang. Today we have all sorts of choices. It did cost me around 27 bucks, which isn't that bad, even though economy sucks nowadays, but hey, it is what it is, because we did some unique choices. So today we have chocolate, a unique sort of flavor. We have Jolly Rancher gummies that are sour. We have Now and Later. We have Sweet Tarts Chewy, Sweet Tart mini rope things. We have Sour Patch Kids Strawberry, Warheads Cubes. We have Laffy Tabby combos. We have the Sour Strip things, and we have Scooby-Doo gummies. No, not Scooby-Doo. Peanut gummies. You know, show you used to watch as a kid in like the 1900s. But yeah, we're gonna just dig right in and see how this stuff tastes. First up, the chocolate. Whoa. That tastes good. I don't really know what's inside the chocolate, but I like it. The Jolly Ranchers has a nice hint of sourness to it, and I like that. So the only thing I'll say about this is it tastes exactly like a sweet tart. Those, smart candies. You know what I'm talking about. I think they're called Sweet Smarts or whatever. Starburst is what they're called. It was a brain fart. But they taste exactly like Starburst, except it has more sourness than sweetness. And it's more chewy than Starburst. Now we had the I forgot what it's called. Smart Smart Sweet Tarts. Ooh, that's good though. It's a little bit too sour, but I like that. The strawberry Sour Patch Kid thing. The gummy is surprisingly really soft, and it actually tastes really good. I like it. Now we have the Sweet Tart mini ropes. I don't know what's exactly called. So I will say, I like the mini rope things than Sweet Tarts chewy things because one, it's more sweet, and two, has a nice chewy texture to it. Now we have a Laffy Taffy combo. I think it's berry and banana. Very chewy, but it is an alright flavor. These cube gummy things, warheads. Surprisingly, that's not even sour. It's actually really good. These little sour strip things, forgot what it's called honestly. I like that. Now, the peanut gummies. It is very chewy, but I like it. That Laffy Taffy is really chewy. Sorry, I heard something. Well, that was some pretty good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, other than that, I think that's going to do it for today's video. I do want to say, I know I haven't been uploading gaming videos. I just been thinking if I should start again, because, you know, my life is very busy nowadays. That's why I've been making shorts recently, because I feel like it's more easier to do than gaming videos. But yeah, that is going to do it for today's video. And yeah, hope you all have a good day. Bye.